Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security disability benefits. First, understand that the Social Security Administration defines disability as the inability to engage in any substantial gainful activity due to a medically determinable physical or mental impairment expected to last at least 12 months or result in death. Begin by collecting all necessary documents, including medical evidence and detailed work history, to support your claim. Ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria before proceeding. Next, you can submit your application in one of three ways: online, over the phone, or by visiting a local Social Security office. You will need to complete two primary forms: the Disability Benefit Application and the Adult Disability Report. Be thorough when providing information about your medical conditions, including diagnoses, treatments received, and the names of all healthcare providers. Accuracy here is crucial for a smooth process. After submission, your application goes to the Disability Determination Services, or DDS, in your state. The DDS reviews all your medical evidence to determine if you meet the Social Security Administration's definition of disability. They might contact your doctors for more information or ask you to attend a consultative examination. Generally, a decision on your initial application is made within 3 to 5 months from the date of filing. If your initial application is denied, do not despair. You have the right to appeal the decision. You must file your appeal within 60 days of receiving the denial notice. The appeals process has 4 levels: reconsideration, a hearing by an administrative law judge, review by the appeals council, and finally, a federal court review. Many applicants find it beneficial to seek professional assistance during the appeals process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.